Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Our topic says lesson on verb na ebipu, meaning is cutting off. Our topic today says na ebipu is cutting off in English. Let us see it in sentences. Igbo English. The first sentence is Ugomma na ebipu osisi dara n'ụzọ. Or say it, class. Ugomma na ebipu osisi dara n'ụzọ. Meaning, Ugomma is cutting off the tree that fell on the road. Ugomma na ebipu osisi dara n'ụzọ. Ugomma is cutting off the tree that fell on the road. Second sentence is Ọ na-ebipu ya ugbu a. Class, say it. Ọ na-ebipu ya ugbu a. Meaning, she is cutting it off now. The third sentence says Ọ na-ebipu ya na eriri. Class, say it. Ọ na-ebipu ya na eriri. Again, ọ na-ebipu ya na eriri, meaning she is cutting it off together with the rope. She is cutting it off together with the rope. Ọ na-ebipu ya na eriri. Remember, our topic says na ebipu is cutting off. When you hear na a or na e, it means a verb in present tense. When you watch the person, he or she is doing that task. So, as you can see here, if you want to make a sentence in Igbo, you can use one thing and make your sentences throughout. Like we use here, we use Ugomma as a noun to make the first sentence. Second sentence, we use or pronoun to represent this noun, Ugomma. Ọ na-ebipu ya ugbu a. The third one, we still use pronoun. We use nochiaha, a pronoun, to represent this Ugomma, a noun, as a name of a person. And find out that throughout our sentences here, 3 of them, we only speak on Ugomma. We only use Ugomma and make all our sentences. So, na ebipu is our verb, meaning is cutting off. That is why we underline it, both in Igbo and in English. So you can use one thing and make all your sentences. So like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on our YouTube at Rejoice Chinwendu Special TV. Instagram, Rejoice Chinwendu page. Bye.